Alright, look, it's day one. We're here at the Goodguys Legends of Hot Rodding. Excited to see this event venue, this show. A lot of cool older hot rods, kind of traditional hot rods and customs here. So let's go check it out, see the vendor area, see the covered parking. There's uncovered parking and there's indoor, so a lot of stuff here to see. Day two, the final day of the Goodguys Legend of Hot Rod show here at the Nashville Fairgrounds and Speedway. I got my sidekick here. We're about to go look at some cars. All right, here they are, the top 5 Hot Rod of the Year contenders. Let's check these things out. Don't touch it.
Legends of Hot Rodding event here in Nashville, presented by BASF Painted Tanks Inc. Hot Rod of the Year goes to
Todd Sampson, 1932 Ford Roadster.